It's dangerous out there. There is danger that you can neither see nor hear. Danger that you cannot smell. Danger that you cannot feel. But it is there. And it's lying in wait. Radioactive sources are the type of very real threats to which the scrap and steel sector have to deal with on a daily basis. Sooner or later, a radioactive source surfaces somewhere or another. And the danger often lies hidden where you least expect it.
In principe is alles verdacht.
Should radioactive material end up in the production chain, the consequences can be dramatic for man, the environment and the company itself.
Het kan zelfs over de hele wereld meetbaar worden en dat is een groot probleem.
While there is clearly a definite danger, there is luckily also a solution. A reliable detection system can neutralize the threat. It can prevent a piece of metal that at first sight might appear innocent enough from inflicting severe damage to both your employees and your business.
Ik ben gevlogen, Bas, ga je maar.
Radcom can offer you this safety. Top-to-bottom security specific to the steel industry and the metal recycling sector. That is the challenge the founders of Radcom accepted 15 years ago.
Dennis, wil jij nog even terug door de poortjes? Hij gaf alarm.
Radcom's detection systems are now a guarantee for safety all over the world. Known as a specialist in the scrap sector and the steel industry, Radcom has a versatile range of products with flexible systems that are both easy to adapt and apply. Unerringly detecting danger is one thing, assessing the risk is another. Great attention is systematically paid to the user-friendliness of the equipment. It's been developed with one objective in mind: simple but absolutely fail-safe monitoring. Radcom is known both for having the most sensitive radiation detectors as well as being able to minimize the slightest chance of a false alarm being raised. The bright yellow gate detection systems are a striking example of the products in the Radcom range. However, there is much more. There's a solution for every step in the process, with grapple-mounted radiation detection systems, conveyor systems, and handheld detectors. The systems have been developed in such a way that they're easy to integrate in existing networks. Moreover, they can be brought in and included in current safety and control procedures without any problem at all. A reliable system that never sleeps is absolutely vital for the scrap sector.
Wat je ziet is dat er een toename gaat komen aan afbraak van kerncentrales en nucleaire afval. En dan moet je denken aan stukjes staal waarin je niks ziet. En dat is dan in een kerncentrale of bij een deeltjesversneller geactiveerd. En dat begint dus te stralen. En dat komt hier dus in het schroot terecht.
Radcom is watching over Capricorn. A radioactive source going undetected in the metal recycling sector can be disastrous, but even more so in the steel industry. Not only is there the cost of decontamination and the processing of the waste, the losses as a result of shutting down production will undoubtedly be many times higher. Should the radioactive source end up further down the chain, serious commercial damage and horrendous claims for damages are inevitable. These are the risks that not one single company in this sector can afford to take.
Als er een radioactieve bron ingesmolten wordt, dan kunnen de nieuwe platen besmet worden. Dan komt er een gigantische claim bij ons terecht en die willen wij liever niet dragen.
While Radcom is undoubtedly the specialist for the scrap and steel industry, it wants to ensure it stays ahead through continuous innovation. One result of this is in automatic software upgrades, which are available in various language versions. However, the hardware is also continually evolving. In the south of Germany, cranes are being built whose quality is praised throughout the world. For more than 50 years, Liebherr has been a household name in the sector. Engineers from Liebherr and Radcom are putting the finishing touches to a grapple and detection system that literally were made for each other.
Wir haben den Bedarf im Markt gesehen nach Radioaktivitätsmesstechnik in Greifern, wo Radcom die letzten Jahre in Eigenregie viele Systeme nachgerüstet hat. Und unsere Kunden kamen auch mehr und mehr auf uns zu und fragten uns, ob wir nicht eine noch bessere Lösung haben, um den Greiferinhalt doch optimal auszunutzen, nicht zu viel durch den Detektor wegzunehmen. Und so haben sich unsere Ingenieure daran gemacht, mit den Radcom-Technikern eine optimale Lösung für unsere Schrott- und Stahlindustrie-Kundschaft zu finden.
Radcom knows the scrap sector and the steel industry like no other. The people of Radcom are always on familiar ground because no one else has such a complete range of detection systems that have been specifically designed for this particular sector.
Moet u loswerken, de weekend niet uitgevoerd. Moeten wij die ook doen of gaat Jan van Ness in?
The people of Radcom are good listeners and search for effective solutions together with the client. This has led to the creation of systems that are simple to install and simple to maintain, with components that can be updated or replaced at a moment's notice. Follow-up is carried out online remotely, or when necessary by fast intervention on site. Thanks to its reliable service, Radcom is your best guarantee for uninterrupted production.
Wir haben bereits ein LKW-Messsystem der Firma Radcom und 2 Greifer-Messdetektoren. Wir haben letztes Jahr große Erfolge damit erreicht, besonders mit den Greiferdetektoren, und wir sind sehr zufrieden. Und wir werden uns in der Zukunft auch weiter mit Radcom in Verbindung setzen für neue Geräte.
With 1,800 large-scale installations in more than 30 countries under its belt, for more than 15 years Radcom has successfully demonstrated that it's the master of all risks, even in the most extreme conditions. Radcom's new state-of-the-art head office in Ontario, Canada, attests to the company's growth and its faith in the future. The office in Belgium, the beating heart of Europe, coordinates training for the whole of Europe. Courses are given either on-site or in the company's own training centre. There is undoubtedly a lot at stake. That's why it's wise to put your trust in specialists.
Ik ben hier nu 4 jaar werkzaam. In die 4 jaar hebben we, gok ik, zo'n 2 miljoen ton radioactief vrij geleverd. En als ik kijk naar de manier van hoe wij hier onze radioactiviteitsdetectie voeren, dan denk ik dat we tot de beste behoren. En dat is een goed gevoel, ook voor het bedrijf. Geeft je een goede marktpositie. Daar kan je ook mee concurreren.
Radcom. Feel safe, be safe.